Welcome to Gravel Load. I picked up the Wiim Amp Pro, and this is a way bigger and way heavier box than I thought it would be when I picked it up. It was a good price. It was 20% off, and for Prime days, so I was like, okay, I'll sign up for Amazon Prime for that. I've been looking at one of these. I got an old stereo upstairs that would like to have a connection to, and this will be part of the setup, which probably will get into in a different video, and probably will go down the rabbit hole of getting new speakers and everything else eventually. But I wanted to dive in and see, with other reviews I've watched, it seems like it's a good product overall. I was like, okay, since other people like it, since it seems like a good product and everyone seems to enjoy what they've done, let's get one. Let's see how well it operates, and maybe it'll be a product that then is used more throughout the home. So it comes in a nice box with, and it has more stuff than I thought in it. So let me peel off the sticker here, to a point where I can open it. It does tell you all the ports and everything on top here, which, if you can hopefully see that. It also comes with the remote, user guide, power cable, HDMI cable, RCA cables, and optical cable, which is pretty cool. I was thinking it wasn't going to come just a power cable. That was it, but there's other stuff I was looking at yesterday too, and maybe that's there. So packed pretty nice. You can see the box took a little bit of damage in shipping, so there's something there. There's a crunch in the upper corner and the bottom corner over here. There's a little bit, but maybe they packaged it up pretty well. So we got the box open, and then you get the Wiim Amp there Pro right in the center. You get your cables on either side. So let's take a look at this device. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Comes with pretty good packaging on all of it. So let's see. They had all the stuff on the bottom. So that's who cares about that. We have the Wiim Amp Pro on the bottom, so you can see the model number and everything there. Got nice rubber feet. Here's your front, and yeah, I just picked it up. It was 20% off, so I picked it up. Here's the rear side. It does have Wi-Fi on it as well, and Bluetooth. Those are things I might, or the Wi-Fi I'm going to connect initially. I would probably like to go wired. It's gigabit in here, and so I would like to do that. It's got HDMI ARC. It's got USB, optical. It's got your subwoofer there. It's got RCA inputs, which I'm going to run the stereo into here, and then this to the speakers is how I was going to do it. And we'll see. I don't know if that's the right way, but this way that can be on in this, then powering the speakers. I think that's more straightforward. So in the bottom here, you do have the user guide, and then something else, an advertisement as well, which of course, right, they always do. 60 days free of Rune. I don't know. Maybe in the next video I'll just post that link up there, and somebody that wants it can do it, because chances are I'm probably not going to do it. It's got everything in here for instructions, multiple different languages. It is just thrown in there. You can kind of see it's bent in the corner here. So it is what it is. They're instructions. I don't care too much. I care about how everything else is packed. As long as you didn't throw everything else in there willy-nilly, I think that would be an okay thing. But let's open up the one box here with the power cord and remote. So nothing in there. They throw everything. This bag is 100% biodegradable. Okay. Well, that might be put to the test here. I think I know where I can throw it if it's truly is 100% biodegradable. But they use some glue on here that really sticks, I'll say that. So this reminds me of a slimmer Roku remote, and it takes two AAAs, so that's that's pretty nice, generic. And you can kind of see it's got your presets, input, mute. You can use the mic or speak, so there's a power button there. And you have this power cable. Just, standard power cable, nothing to write home about. And then we have the other box, which I'm guessing is going to be just the other cables, just in a different box, right? You have the RCA cables. I'm just going to open everything up because why not? You have HDMI 4K cable. It is, what does it say? High-speed HDMI with Ethernet. It does not give me how fast it is on here. It's 4K UHD. You know how USB is. Or USB. You know how HDMI is, where they give you a whole bunch of issues with trying to figure out your optical cable, which makes sense. And then this is your RCAs. Seem like pretty nice RCAs actually overall. Gold coated, nice color coded there too. So that's basically the box here. And I'll take a look at that. That's everything in it. We'll see. Let me just put these back because I'm going to try to set this up without it. So I'll probably set it up here, and then I'll do in about a month or so, I'll go through the rest of it. But this device here, it's got some weight to it. We'll see how well it works overall in the Pro side of things. So you have, yeah, you have everything here. Should be a nice little streaming thing, and that the volume there it's a rotating button and everything, of course. And that's all I got for today. I'm sure I ordered a dock and stuff too because I needed a dock replacement. The Corsair one was working fine, if you're curious, but it's going to somebody else. So I decided to order a new dock, and we're going to have a unboxing and review of that as well. But I'll get a review out of this in about a month of testing it in real world use. And then also, I know there's other on there like how good it sounds and everything else. I want to see how well it works with my wife, and she's not tech savvy. I take care of all the tech, but it's got to be easy to work with for her. So it's got to be straightforward, something that she can connect her phone to and stuff, so that when she wants to listen to music or she's working with something with the kids and stuff, that's easy to get connected to. Everyone can hear it and go from there. So I'll let you know, all the guys, about that here in the next few weeks to a month-ish. Once I get that all done and get a good assessment of how well it works. So I want to thank you for watching Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. Don't forget to watch another one of my videos. That really does help out the channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe as well. That also helps out. And until next time, God bless.